Welcome back to our channel for another product review. As some of you may have seen on the Birding Diaries, we had a sponsor in Camelot a little while ago that gave us a range of equipment for our Birding Diaries show. And obviously shooting a video series, you can never have enough tripods. I mean, the number of cameras and various things you have up, the number of tripods you need are incredible. And obviously you're always going to want a fluid head video tripod when you're doing that sort of stuff. But I mean, ultimately you birders aren't doing video, so you kind of ask yourself, well, what on earth is a video tripod relevant to me for? So let's actually unbox this thing. This is the K&F video head tripod from Camelot, and let's just have a look what this is and how it actually can equate to you as a birder. So I'm going to open up here. There we go. Just get rid of the box there. And just before any of you fashion gurus comment on the channel, no, actually this is purely a coincidence. This isn't a matching jacket that goes with this bag. But anyway, comes with a lovely nylon bag. Open up, and pretty standard fare for any tripod. We've got the tripod itself and the handle for the fluid head. Pretty decent bag, nice quality nylon. Used this another one of these for a while, and works really nicely. But fairly simply, got a fairly standard fluid head video tripod with a head on it, legs, everything already attached. And then obviously just got the handle, which one can screw on here for the operation of the fluid head. And then obviously once you've attached that, on top of it you've got a quick release plate, very nice with the locking nut, and then this quick release clip. Obviously this you will mount on your camera or on your spotting scope or whatever, and then lock it in place. And then obviously being a fluid head, what you'll find, adjustment here for the tilt and a locking here for the pan. And obviously in addition to that, nice strong multi-bar legs. And if you have a look at this with the two sets of legs, this thing extends, I think it can stand close to about 1.7 meters tall. Really nice reach. But ultimately, you ask yourself as a birder, well, what do I need this for? I've used in my birding career an array of tripods over the years. And the standard fare for birders who are doing photography and or particularly using spotting scopes will be to use the standard traditional tripod with the 3-axis locking levers. So you've got the 3 levers, one for pan, one for tilt, and then one to rotate to level the camera or your spotting scope off. I've used those, and also, I mean, there's an array of them, good quality products. Since I happen to be using these because I have them around for video, what I've honestly found is a fluid head tripod, and a good quality one, is actually far more practical, and I actually think easier to use when you've got a spotting scope on it. If you're going to do panning of birds in flight, you don't need to attach a gimbal head on top of this. You've got the perfect smooth movement. And more importantly, I mean, most of you will probably say, well, fluid head tripods are incredibly expensive, and obviously the top of the range professional ones for really high-end filmmaking are incredibly expensive. But I mean, at the time of making this video, I think this tripod comes in at under 4,000 Rand, which, I mean, you try and find any tripod for camera or spotting scope under that price anyway, you're probably going to pay that or more. So to have that and the stability and the rigidity of these broad legs, fluid head, etc., I mean, honestly, these K&F tripods that they sponsored us with, solid. I mean, this is all metal. There is plastic here, but a lot of the more affordable tripods come with plastic in these areas. But I mean, I've been using this stuff for years and none of these have ever shown any signs of this ever breaking. So honestly, I think a really good option and really good price point considering what a good tripod for a spotting scope or a camera would cost you. So yeah, again, thanks to K&F for the sponsorship of some of these for making the Birding Diaries. But honestly, aside from them giving us tripods for the show, really, I honestly think if I'm looking around for a tripod, really good value for what it gives you. So go and try them out. Camelot's link is in the description of this video. And yes, hope to see you on another product review soon.